All these rocks are volcanic rocks. Jeju is formed from a volcano. Mahjong. We arrived at Sungsan Ilchulbong. 맞아? It's like this really famous green, beautiful, naturey cliff that we are about to hike up. I'm like tired. I'm out of shape, but it doesn't look too bad, so it should be fine. But yeah, apparently this place is really beautiful and it looks really neat, so I'm excited. And it's right beside the it's right beside the ocean as well, which is nice. But we have to buy a ticket. How much is it? $2. Oh, it's only $2, so it's fine. $2 to exercise, you know. Why exercise for free when you can exercise for $2? Woo! It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There it is. We're gonna climb to the top of this. Out of shape. This is a struggle for real, but I'm almost there. I've almost made it, and it's gorgeous, so it's totally worth the struggle. Where's Jay? Oh, he's like down there. Jay, hi. 어디?
그 옷 입고 들어가서 여기
아,
플라핑하고 그 아줌마들.
啊，别这样的，没有常温的吗？常温的吗？
on Udo now, which is an island east of Jeju, and we're gonna take one of these little fusion bike scooter ATV things and ride around on that for like 2 to 3 hours. Hi guys, I'm in a coffee shop with Lobster. Oh my god, my face! Anyways, you were watching my video in Jeju and now I'm in Seoul because I apparently lost all my footage from my favorite part of the trip because I'm amazing. And I'm just gonna have to insert some photos. But basically what happened is we took like this, we rented like a bike, basically, an electric bike. What is the word for this? Like a motorcycle? Oh my god, scooter. Thank you. We rented a scooter and we just went around the island, and the island had like so many cute coffee shops. It was like absolutely gorgeous. We went to this like bomb cafe and it was literally the highlight of our entire trip, and I just lost the footage because I'm amazing. So if you go to Jeju, definitely go to Udo. It was like the best, literally the best part. So anyways, yeah, I'll be more careful with my footage in the future and enjoy these lovely photos for now. Bye! We're just about to check out from the hotel. We're watching the news. Today's the day that the president of South Korea and the president of North Korea are meeting. It's like the first time in 11 years. And tonight they're going to announce something like whatever agreement they come to, hopefully a peaceful one. I never imagined this situation was going to happen. It just seemed like it was going to continue to be bad. But anyways, let's hope for the best. This hotel was unreal. I don't want to leave, look. But anyways, I have to go home and write my thesis. And Jay has to go to work. He's working back shift tonight. He's going to be one dead man. But yeah, the last thing we're going to do today is I wanted to check out a waterfall. Jeju has like lots of waterfalls. And there's one really famous one called Cheongjiang? Yeah. So that's where we're going, and we're just gonna have like the last meal and then head to the airport. Our flight is at 5 p.m. So yeah, let's go check out the waterfall. Decided to go to Cheoncheon instead. It has 3 waterfalls. Well, one of them isn't a waterfall unless it's been raining really heavily, but oh my gosh, the watercolor is so gorgeous. I'll show you. One moment, please. So nice. It's not even that crowded. The other one that we are going to go to is more like well known. So I heard many rumors that it's so crowded that it just like ruins it because it's so touristy. But here is actually not that bad. And there's 3 waterfalls. We've seen, well, one's not a waterfall unless it rains. So we saw that like pondy area. We saw this waterfall. And now we're going to the last one. But even just walking around like the forest and stuff is so refreshing. Especially because I live in Seoul, so I'm not used to so much green.
와. 뭐지?
It's Mr. Speedy Legs. Walking fast, fast, fast. 여기? Oh, we found the 3rd waterfall. I wish we could go closer to it though.
Oh, this is the weird one.
Really? The car cooked my banana, and it tastes 10 times better. Also, my hair is a hot mess, but that's nothing new. How are you? Oh, you're so cute! So yeah, we checked out those 3 waterfalls. They were awesome. It was really not busy, which was bomb. But now we're gonna go back north, Jeju, and there's this place called, is it Jack Crab or Crab Jack? Crab Jack, and it's like a casual bar slash like food place right beside the ocean. And I have seen tons of like reviews and like pictures of it and stuff. It looks so nice. So that's gonna be our last meal, and I wanted to go there. We wanted to go there on our first night to grab a drink at nighttime, but they're closed on Wednesday. So yeah, we can go now. It's Friday. I'm really stoked. So that's where we're heading to. It's gonna take maybe like an hour.
45 minutes.
Okay, 45 minutes.
I can speak.
Don't speed. I can speed, what the hell? What is this? Anyways, yeah, so that's where we're heading. See you soon. Let's sit by the ocean. So there's 2 main things. Either you get this like lobster, which comes with corn and a bunch of seafood, or this like kind of shrimp one. They put a sauce in it and they shake it up. The price is really reasonable for Korea, especially for lobster. This is like unheard of. Looks good. We got our food. It's awesome. They have like Western style corn, which I haven't had in a while. The green corn is really bitter. It's not really sweet. I much prefer the corn I'm used to. But yeah, we got some lobster, some shrimp, broccoli, sweet potatoes, these big, like, I don't know what, they technically do snails, right? Sea snails. And then they gave us 3 sauces, tartar sauce, like this kind of Korean sweet chili spicy sauce, and then an orange sauce, Ilchulbong sauce. So like the orange that they grow here on Jeju. It looks so good. So we just have these little hammers and we just smash into it and open everything up and then eat it. Oh, okay, I'm stoked. Destroyed. They're lobsters from Nova Scotia, my hometown. That's why it tasted good.
Oh.
So happy. That was so good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. 100 out of 100. 200 out of 100. A billion out of 1. Time to return our car. Head to the airport. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.